Hey everyone! Today, I want to talk about a fascinating development that could reshape the future of democracy in Africa. Recently, NelsoncHamisa, a prominent Zimbabwean opposition leader, had some thought-provoking insights on Botswana's latest election. Chamisa praised Botswana's democratic process, calling it a beacon of hope for the entire continent. Duma Boko, the winner from the Umbrella for Democratic Change, led a peaceful transition of power. This is a huge deal, especially when considering the political turbulence that often plagues African elections. Chamisa's observations emphasize a crucial point. Democracy isn't just an abstract idea. It's a living, breathing practice that can genuinely transform societies. Botswana's commitment to free and fair elections serves as a shining example for other nations that are striving for political stability and transparency. And here's what really struck me. Chamisa said, "No political system is immune to change." This is a clear message to Africa, the SADC region, and of course, Zimbabwe. Change is unavoidable and it shall happen. His words resonate deeply, suggesting that the political landscape across Africa is on the brink of significant transformation. Now, contrast this with Zimbabwe's recent election. Chamisa himself was a key player, going head-to-head against the incumbent, Emmerson Mnangagwa. Despite expressing confidence in his victory, Chamisa raised serious concerns about voting irregularities. He accused the government and the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission of deliberately withholding ballot papers in urban areas. The ZEC admitted to delays, but blamed them on court challenges. This situation showcased the stark differences between Botswana's smooth transition and Zimbabwe's contested outcome. It's a reminder that the journey towards true democracy is fraught with obstacles. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Zimbabwe's election faced criticism not only from Western nations, but also from regional bodies like the Southern African Development Community and the African Union. This marks a significant shift since these organizations usually maintain a neutral stance. Their scrutiny suggests a growing intolerance for electoral misconduct and a stronger push for accountability within the region. Even though Mnangagwa brushed off these concerns, the message from the SADC and AU is clear. The era of turning a blind eye to flawed elections is coming to an end. In essence, Botswana's election serves as a wake-up call for Africa. It's a testament to the power of democracy and the potential for positive change. Chamisa's reflections underscore the importance of upholding democratic values and the impact they can have on a global scale. So, what can we take away from all this? First, the importance of a fair and transparent electoral process cannot be overstated. Second, regional scrutiny and accountability are crucial for fostering genuine democratic practices. And finally, as Chamisa aptly put it, no political system is immune to change. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. If you found this discussion insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on political developments around the world. Until next time, stay informed and stay engaged.